Uh, I'm telling you, Slot, that Joaquin Flame and Frankenstein don't nature seem to be getting along with each other. You think? Well, yeah. What? Did you think I wouldn't send Joaquin over to find those two? Yeah, I suppose you're right. What's this about Joaquin looking for German Dawn? Yeah, he's uh, just in the area looking for them. Okay, I better go and find them. And that's what happened. What, you serious? Even though the car was nearly destroyed? Yes. Yeah. Well, that's really something. Yeah, tell me about it. It can be a real kick in the private area when your car is totaled. Sure it is, son. Yeah. That's basically the gist of it. Yeah. Yeah. Well. Oh. Hey now, Graham. Oh. Hello, Joaquin. So, what are you doing here anyway? I just wanted to make sure how things are going. Yeah, I'm okay. And my son here is okay. And that's good to know. And that German Don, okay? Yes, well, okay. Yeah. Yeah, well, I might as well sling my hook here. Yeah. See us. Good call. See you later. Yeah, and I might as well go and see if FireLavaOven. You coming, Dawn? Yes. Yeah. See us. All right. Yes, we're okay. So, we've been talking to that Joaquin Flame and Ben Flame. Yeah, I see. Did you see that Graham Beast come over? If you're talking about that quadped gorilla guy, then yes. I see. Well, in any case, we better get organized for our summer series. Good call. Yeah. Let's just get organized. Yeah, good call. Yeah. See us.